Hi everyone, I'm gonna give you a quick demo of ShakerWatch kit by Motionics. It's a vibration, it's a wireless vibration accelerometer, tri-axial wireless accelerometer that can be used for test and monitoring of shale shakers and vibratory screen shakers. The kit comes with a tri-axial wireless accelerometer, which is the core part of this whole kit. As you can see, it has a magnetic base on the back that you can attach to the machine and handle that you can remove it. And there's no charging port, there's no on and off, everything's on and working in a Bluetooth low energy mode. And after a couple of months, you can replace the battery once the battery is low. There are some accessories here for iPad. There's a coin battery here, extra coin batteries, and also the iPad with the iPad app, which is called ShakerWatch app. I'm gonna quick show you a demo of the app. Basically, the sensor is on now. I'm gonna go through the app and show you how it works. The app is very simple. You can go to sensor. As long as your sensor is nearby, it's gonna automatically pair and give you some setting that you can change, sampling rate and other settings of the sensor, such as the acceleration range. I'm not gonna change anything here. And I'm gonna go to the main page. I'm gonna start. The core part of these tests usually is something called orbit test. Before getting to that, as you can see here, you can create a plant or location. Under that, let's say Austin, Texas. Under that, there's a machine I have here. Under that, I create a test, and I'm gonna just quick create a test or do the test. And you see there's a template here. I'm gonna open that one. First, you can enter some test information such as the name of the operator, machine, serial number, etc. The orbit test allows you to do the orbit test by placing the tri-axial accelerometer I show you here on the machine at different spot on the feed or on the discharge or the middle of the machine, on the left and right, basically 6 spots. I can attach it to that spot and capture. As soon as you tap on the capture, it's gonna just basically capture that motion. Of course, the shape of the motion is not ideal because it's not a machine. I'm just simulating the motion, and you can see a spectrum of that motion in tri-axial, in all 3 axes, waveform, and save it. And as you're doing the test and saving for each spot, you can see the PDF report if you want, or you can attach some picture notes. Let's say I do all those 6 tests and I'll go back. Before going back, as you can see, each test, once you're done, it shows you peak in G, angle of motion, stroke, and RPM, and all those things calculated for you. There's a bump test, there's a side displacement movement test, as well as the support structure test that you can do using this tri-axial accelerometer. Attach it to any point you want and tap and done. And once it's done, everything is saved. Report is automatically generated as you're doing the test. And once you're done, you can go back and look at the result of your work. For example, I'm looking at one of the real tests that we've done on our machine. I'm going to open the PDF. As you can see here, all the test information here, the orbit tests results or graphs are here. The table shows the details of the information behind those orbit tests, such as the peak, angle of motion, the stroke, etc. The bump test, side displacement test, and as well as support structure movement test. Again, this is very simple to use wireless accelerometer, tri-axial, with the iPad app that allows you to do the whole test very fast, efficiently, and very safely. So you don't need to just be around the machine or very close to the machine. If you need more information on the software, hardware, or any question you have, of course, you can contact us, or you can visit our website, motionics.com. Thanks.